The NVX YSW152 Subwoofer is renowned for its impressive power handling, offering up to 1,600 watts peak and 800 watts RMS to deliver a rich, immersive bass experience. Crafted with premium materials, the subwoofer boasts a pressed paper cone and a custom high-roll foam surround that work together to produce precise distortion-free sound. Its robust design includes a 3-inch high-temperature aluminum voice coil and a stamped steel vented basket, ensuring long-lasting durability and efficient heat management. Maximum efficiency is achieved through its double-stacked ferrite magnet and optimized high-velocity pole vent, which contribute to effective cooling and sustained performance. The versatile dual 2-ohm impedance allows for flexible wiring options, making it a suitable choice for various car audio setups. With a wide frequency response range and a sensitivity of 85 decibels, the NVX YSW152 provides powerful and clear bass that enhances any car audio system.